I usually summarize what I've learned in a chapter on a piece of paper just to make sure that I've understood and memorized the key points from the chapter.
I would emphasize on the importance of having beautiful graphs and diagrams because those really help me understand the concepts that were taught in class rather than having like 10 pages of written words.
Usually, I would turn large chunks of text into diagrams and flowcharts so that it's easier for me to remember as well.
And then to make them super engaging, I basically highlight stuff, so lots and lots of colors.
So now what I'd recommend is to take the lecture notes because a lot of the lecturers prepare really good slides and the key information is on there. And as you go through it, try and expand on those yourself and see if you can try and deliver that material yourself to a colleague or to a friend, because if you've understood the material, then you should be able to explain it to someone else.
So know what's important and try and cut down the content to the very basics so that you have exactly what you need for the exam.
I'm still trying to figure it out myself, man.